Hello Falava, this is Measina Treasures of Samoa. My name is Damon and this is Logan. And we've got some chocolate that we're going to try out today. Did you want to tell them who the chocolate's from?
The chocolate's made by Living Koko, and I've got the dark chocolate one.
Yep. And I've got the Coco Mocha, which has some coffee in it. And we'll start off with that one. And, did you want to tell them some interesting facts about this chocolate?
This chocolate, dark chocolate, has cocoa straight from the island of Samoa.
It's also chemical free. It's also vegan and gluten free as well.
For those who have allergies.
Yeah, if anyone that's allergic to that kind of stuff, and it's also dairy free as well.
Cans on it too.
Yeah. Let's get into this. We're gonna try some.
That was loud.
Thanks, bro. All right, cheers.
Cheers. Nice.
Yeah, nice. It's not too rich. I've had some like
Weird
dark chocolate. Yeah, some dark chocolate
Yeah.
that's a bit too, I don't know,
Dark.
heavy. But that's kind of light.
Healthy. Yeah.
Yeah, I feel better. I feel healthy.
Don't have to go for a joke.
Alright, should we move on to the next one?
Mm.
Unless you want to finish that.
No.
No, we'll finish it
We'll
later.
finish it later.
Alright, Matt. So the Coco Mocha, so it's cultivated in Samoa and Tonga. So the coffee's from Tonga.
And the cocoa is from Samoa.
Yeah. Still the same company, Living Koko. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get into this one. This one's also chemical free, vegan, gluten free, dairy free. But yeah, cracking this one. Oh yeah, cool thing I've noticed as well is that they've got like a cool little design on their chocolates. If you want to show that one as well.
If you can see it, it's like flowers
Yeah, yeah.
and leaves.
Very cool.
Very nice.
Alright.
That one was a lot less.
A bit cleaner.
Yeah.
Alright, there you go. Cheers.
Mmm. You can really taste the cocoa.
Yeah, there's a lot more than that one.
It's not bad. It's real good.
Yeah, it's not too coffee. Like I thought there would be.
A lot more coffee.
Yeah. But yeah, that's nice. It's not too sweet.
A lot more.
The other one was a little bit more, had a bit of a bitter taste, but not the typical bitter taste that you get from like a Cadbury dark chocolate. Not the way, you know, saying anything bad about them. But yeah, this is nice.
I think they put like the coffee at the back.
Mm.
Or something.
Yeah, there it is.
Feels like magic.
I can taste it now. Yeah, that's nice. And that's our review of these chocolates. Did you have anything else to say, Logan?
No.
Cool.
Other than the delicious.
Well, yeah. Go get your hands on some of these Living Koko chocolates, and that's been us. Bye.
So,